Hello guys, today in this video, my mom is going to be making ogbono and okra soup. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Just look at how delicious this is. Doesn't it look good? It looks amazing. Stay tuned to see how my mom makes this because you're not going to regret it. So please stay and watch how the delicious ogbono and okra soup is made. Bye! Okay guys, so the meats that you're going to be needing is smoked turkey, boma, or you can call it cow skin, stockfish, and beef. And then you can add some blended ginger. That's what my mom used. And for the seasoning, you can add salt, nor seasoning, and all-purpose seasoning. You know, my mom, you can use any kind of seasoning that you want, but my mom just used that particular seasoning because she loved to add, that seasoning. And then you can add some water to cook it, to make it, cook. And then, yeah. Next, you're going to cover and cook for 15 minutes. While the meats are cooking, you can add some ogbono seeds, blended, and then you can blend it to be a powdered form. Sorry guys, I don't know how to say it, but ogbono seeds, and then while it's cooking, you can blend it in the blender so it can be like, smooth and blended. Yeah, and then you add some palm oil to the blended ogbono seeds. Look how good that looks. Am I the only one who thinks it looks that? Then you're going to mix it until it turns to like a paste. To like, tomato paste. That's how it's going to look like paste, okay? Go mix it and mix it all around. You mix it. Okay, when it looks like paste, you can microwave it for 10 seconds. Now it looks very liquidy and like paste kind of. I don't know how to say it, guys, sorry. And then keep it aside, and then you're gonna go back to the meat. Now you're going to uncover the meat that you were cooking for 15 minutes. Oh, look at that. Can't wait for the soup to be done. Then you're gonna mix it, and mix it, and mix it, and mix it. Like my mom. Next, you're gonna add blended dried peppers. You can, blend it up. Then you're gonna stir it up. Stir it. Okay, that looks very good. And then you're just going to let it sit. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Oh, it's done cooking for 10 minutes. That looks so good. Then you're gonna add cooked cow feet. Doesn't that look good? Am I the only one? Yeah. No. I don't think I'm the only one. That looks so good, guys. Doesn't it? The people who loves ogbono soup like me, I'm obsessed. Me and my sister are obsessed with ogbono and okra soup. It's just amazing. And then you're gonna add some blended crayfish, and then you're gonna stir it up. And then you want to stir it like nicely, cause you don't want all the meats to like break up. Same thing when you're doing like pepper soup, and like you put like fish inside. You don't want the fish to break in pieces. That's what you're doing here. You don't want to, I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but yeah. Some people, like, if you know what I mean, like some African people, you know what I mean. I think so. And then you're gonna add the ogbono, sorry guys, the ogbono paste that you blended and that you microwaved. Ooh. Now, doesn't that look good? Doesn't it look good? Just look at that. And then, look at my mama. Her cooking skills are amazing. She's a chef. the #1 chef. Then you're gonna add some, like, you know what she's doing here. You're gonna add some of the, I don't know how to say it, guys. We're gonna add some of the, you know, the meat water. I don't know how to say it. And then you're gonna put it in the bowl, mix it up so you can get all of the, you know, paste up, because you don't want to waste anything. You know what I mean? And then mix it very well, and then add some water. Depends on your consistency and like what you want it to, like, you know. Then you're gonna mix it. Oh, look at that smoked turkey. Am I the only one who's seen that smoked turkey? Smoked turkey is my favorite meat, guys. Anyways, besides from the cooking, how was your day, guys? I want to know how is your day. Yeah. And then after, you see, when it was cooking, look at how good that looks now. OGBONO soup. OGBONO soup. And then you're going to cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes again. Okay, you let it cook for 10 minutes. Now, this is how it looks. Yummy in my tummy. And now you're gonna add the okra to make it OGBONO okra soup. Obviously. Just mix that up. Mix it. Stir it up. Mix it. Stir it up. Mix it. I hope you guys like this voiceover. If you guys didn't know, I hope you guys noticed already that I'm doing the voiceover. It's me, Abigail. And yeah, one day I would like to do a video. It's like I'm making the food instead of my mom, and then she's doing the voiceover. And then you're gonna add some mackerel fish. My mom loves fish. And then add some more seasoning. Add more seasoning and salt. You know, any seasoning that you like. But my mom just loves that, you know, seasoning. And yeah, just look at that. That looks good, though. Yes. And then you're gonna mix well and cook for 5 minutes. I mean, doesn't that look good? It looks good. It looks amazing. Just look at that beauty. Look at what my mom is cooking. She's a top chef, one of the top 10 greatest chefs. Gordon Ramsay, you better pick her to make food for you, cause you know the food is going to be amazing. I don't know if you ever tried African food, but yeah, it's good. And then the soup is all ready. Doesn't that look good? It's good, short. You know, it's not that short, but you don't need to cook it for that long. But yeah, doesn't that look good? Only 8 minutes for cooking. Please like and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye. I hope you guys like it. I know it was good that you stayed tuned. Bye bye.